Thank you for choosing the imop. In this course, we will show you the imop Lite and change the way you think about cleaning. The imop Lite is an industrial-grade, flexible auto scrubber dryer that makes your cleaning faster, cleaner, greener, safer, and better than any scrubbing machine on the market. You can clean right up to the edges and even under obstacles. It cleans better with less detergents, water, time, and energy use. It even reduces the risk of slippery floors, which means a cleaner and safer building with less effort and costs. It is built with an industrial-grade brush and vacuum motor. It is powered by a battery and is equipped with a squeegee and 2 counter-rotating brushes. In short, the imop Lite cleans 10 times faster than a traditional mop and 5 times faster than a flat mop. You can theoretically clean 1,400 square meters, and practical performance is between 700 and 1,000 square meter of floor space per hour. It cleans the floor with 2 counter-rotating brushes at a speed of 500 rotations per minute. The result? 90% cleaner surfaces. It uses less water, and since every water drop counts, you can reduce the environmental impact of cleaning by 75%. The floor also dries extremely fast. In just 30 seconds, you have a dry and safe floor. This is validated by standardized slip tests with readings of 120 or less. The imop changes the experience of cleaning and brings energy, pride, and positive morale to the cleaner. The result? A better environment for the users of the space. So let's get started with the course.